Let's see what for dinner today. Oh God, kibble again. Blue, sick of this. Blue cannot eat. This is disgusting. Blue's just going to chill and watch some TikToks.
Chicken's done. You shred that chicken up, dice it, shred it. Oh, look at them. They hungry.
What? You would be needing this. Make me a meal slave. Not looking too good. What do you think, baby? I mean, it looks great, fantastic. Good job, man. Good job. Oh dear God, what was Blue thinking? Bon appetit. Really? This is it? This is what you came up with? Did not Blue tell you to follow the recipe to the T? Blue is scared for his health. He does not want to try. He thinks that he might die if he lick this. No. Oh my goodness. Nothing like TikTok videos. Blue thinks he's going to stick to eating oxygen today.